Hey, I'm Tobi and I'm from Germany. This is my van, it's called the Cloud, and it was born in 1988.
This video is sponsored by Dylan Magaster. Check out our new channel by clicking the link and be sure to subscribe.
I was traveling as a backpacker. Like I was traveling in Asia and then California, Hawaii. But at what point I was just over it. I was like, I moved back to my hometown after I was traveling so much, you know, and I moved back and I said, no, I can't do the 9-to-5 thing. I want to do something else. But then I got a dog. I said, yeah, now I have to find a solution how to travel with a dog. So I met a friend in Spain and she had the same van. I spent 7,800 years just for the van, and it was, oh my god. So I had to fix the tank, and then I had to fix it completely outside because it was so much rust. It was insane. I didn't know that before because, as you know, I had no idea about all cars and everything. I just thought, okay, it looks nice, and that was the reason why I bought it. But after like 2 weeks, I saw the problems. Took me around 6 months because I was working 6 days a week, so I had 1 day off. So that's where I worked on the van. There was nothing inside, like really nothing. So I had no idea. I never built something. I had no idea about how to work with wood and all this stuff because I never had to, but I figured everything out. My dad said, no, I'm not gonna help you. You have to do it by yourself, otherwise you don't learn it. This is the Cloud, and it was born in 1988. It's a Volkswagen Postbus, and yeah, so they delivered packages with it. This one, it looks pretty nice now, but this one here was completely full of rust. This is completely new now. I changed everything. So like, this was yellow before, so now it's blue. Yeah, there's nothing else on this side, I would probably say. Can you see how it shines now? So yeah, this is the front. Over there it's like a fridge, but it doesn't have any electricity. So basically storage for food, you know. Yeah, there's also another tank for gas if I'm running out of gas in the middle of nowhere. And on this side it's basically his side. It's his bed. If I take passengers with me, like, I don't know, hitchhikers or someone, I don't know, they don't allow to sit over there because it's buddy seat, so they have to sit in the back. This window here is new. It wasn't in there when I bought it, so yeah, I'm really proud of it because now I have more light inside and I can see the beach or whatever from the bed, so that's pretty nice. You can change or you can fill the oil, and then here you have the water for the engine. Surprise, a dog! This is my bed. You will probably not expect it, but under the bed there's the engine on this side. There we go. Under there, it's not that easy, is the engine. You can just open this and then there you go, you have the heart of the van. I'm traveling now with the van since 5 months and I had to work on the engine like twice. And it was in Morocco, in the middle of nowhere. It's just stopped working, so I was laying under the van and then I had to open this one and yeah, I had to work on the van twice. There's nothing on the roof, it's just a window, but no solar panels. I'm gonna open this one. This is the inside. We have the engine over there, and on this side under the bed we have some storage over here. So there's my second battery and the electricity stuff. Okay, so it's 95 era, so yeah, I never run out of electricity yet. And on this side I have some storage, like, yeah, electricity stuff and a book. It's basically called How to Help Myself. This one over here, I got it in Morocco and it's not just like something you can sit on, it's also, I can open this and then there's my winter clothes in there. So in here, I have some stuff for like, you know, food, the dry fridge. I have my water and everything behind this box. So some extra storage behind the box here. And this one is also special because it was always like, you know, I had no idea about like building something. So it was always like a little bit fall down on this side. And I got this here from Spain. We were walking at the beach, so I got this and I thought, yeah, why not? So I have two water tanks here. They're not connected with anything. Like I just open this one and then water comes out. Yeah, so it's 20 liters, so like 10 liters per tank. Camping one over here, so the camping cooker, and it's running with this little gas bottles. And if I'm driving, I just put it a little bit down here and I can just drive without getting in trouble. Oh, so here are my clothes. Yeah, so it doesn't look really organized, but after 5 months now I'm fine with it. This is over here, and then on this side it's not so organized, to be honest, but I got some stuff in here. So body stuff, and then I got my shower in here. So I got this shower, and then I got this surfing, I don't know how to call it, but the surfing bag from Morocco. And I can basically just hang it in here. So I got my shower in there, and then I got the pump, and I'm gonna fill this here with water, like 10 liters. And yeah, that's basically it. And then I also got like the curtain over here. Got some magnets over here, and then I'm gonna connect the curtain with the metal part over here. So this is basically the shower system in here. So yeah, it's a cool thing. I'm really proud of it because it took me a while to figure out how to shower inside the van, and I can also just do it outside. So yeah, I'm proud of it. I worked in a hotel, but hotels are in specific areas, you know, so now I can just have my own hotel. I think that's the best part, because if you're traveling, like, I don't know, to Spain and you want to go somewhere and there are no hotels, I can stay wherever I want, you know. It's the best part. Take your time, because I did some mistakes that I just figured out now. So, you know, like the electricity stuff, do it before you do the walls and all the stuff. Yeah, just take your time. And if it's something that you really want, everything is possible.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. And I wanted to let you know, if you haven't heard, that we started a second channel. So if you're interested in seeing more of what we've made, things along the lines of adventure, travel, philosophy, click the link in the description below, or click this link right here with my face on it and check out our new channel, Dylan Magaster. And if you enjoy it, consider subscribing. So big love. Have a great week.